ThePintasticGirls!
Hi, I'm Bethany.
I'm Abigail. I'm Rose.
What's your name? She's Holly. And we are the Pintastic Girls! Welcome to Around the World with the Pintastic Girls. Today we are visiting South Africa! Woo! And South Africa can be found in Africa, right in the very south part, right there. So, this is really funny because this snack crate has been sitting on our counter for a few weeks now. These poor girls have been so sick. All three of them had pneumonia, and then Abigail also had strep throat and an ear infection. So these girls have been very sick. So we wanted to wait till everyone is all better and all the taste buds are back to normal so we can have a perfect experience, right?
Because if you were sick, because this is really sweet, you're like, this is so salty.
Yeah, so you wouldn't be able to taste very good. But let's see if we can find some great facts about South Africa. Let's see. So it has been estimated that there are around 3,000 shipwrecks off the coast of South Africa. Wow, so the oceans must be very dangerous, right?
I wouldn't want to go swimming in those oceans.
Oh wow, look at this. There is a tree that is over 6,000 years old and it houses a bar that can seat 15 people. So there's a tree that inside there's like a little restaurant.
That's so cool. Okay, I still want to go in that restaurant. Because the tree might die, and then I'll be in big trouble.
I guess you would, right? So then also in South Africa, the fish migration is so huge that it could be seen from space. So there's so many fish that you could see them from space. That is so cool.
Space fish.
So if you're from South Africa, can you please give us some fun facts about your country?
And some very fun things you can do.
Yes, and some fun things you could do. We would love to hear from you.
And all kinds
So
of
let's see. Oh, we need to keep this open so we know what we're eating. So I'm very excited about this.
Yum!
Let's see what people in South Africa, or you call them South Africans.
Ooh! They have the
Eat.
same brand of potato chips.
Okay, let's see. Let's crack this box open here. Let's see the little pretty wrapping. The sticker's not coming off. It's all ripped. Wow, let's show this. Looks like we got a bunch of chips and crackers on top. So we try the chips first. Okay, we try the chips. So we have Lay's potato chips, Caribbean onion, and balsamic vinegar flavor. Wow.
These chips are featured tangy onion flavor paired with zesty salt and vinegar.
Ooh, and so you girls know, people in South Africa, they do talk English like us.
Smell. These are huge.
Wow. I'll try this chip.
Mine is humongous.
Ooh, smells good. Ready? Go.
I want that one.
What do you think? It's good. It tastes just like the Lay's salt and vinegar chips that we have here in America. Which do have a very strong flavor, but I think it's delicious. Very good. So what do you think? Good? Okay. Before Holly has a heart attack, we're going to try these mini cheddars cheese flavored snacks. They look like little Ritz cracker cheese sandwiches that we have here. Let's see. Read up on it first. Which I don't see. Oh, right here.
Yeah. Baker's
Mini
mini cheddars. Bite-sized crunchy biscuits infused with zesty flavor. It included either original cheese or a fruit crunchy flavor.
A fruit chutney. Oh, wow. Oh, we have that. We have the fruit chutney. That's going to be interesting. Okay, let's try these. We'll bet we'll like these. That's very good.
They're like pretzel.
You don't like it? Oh, that's good. Okay, let's try the fruit chutney flavor. This will be interesting to have a fruit flavored Ritz type cracker.
Is that Ritz?
No, they look like Ritz crackers though. I'm saying it's
Yeah, like cheese one.
Okay, ready? Try it.
It's fruity.
It's good. It's interesting.
It's not interesting. It's yuck.
I like the other one better. This is it still is a cheddar cracker, but I don't know. We'll see. What's next here? Okay, let's try some chocolate here. Oh, this looks good. Dark chocolate covered
Salty
nougat.
Williams dark chocolate nugget bar.
Nougat.
Soft honey nugget.
Nougat.
Embroidered with delicious bleeding dark chocolate.
Oh, decadent, enrobed in decadent Belgian dark chocolate.
And I couldn't meet salty. That
sounds pretty good. Enrobed in decadent dark chocolate.
Put it in my hand. Put it in my hand.
Okay, if I can get it open.
Sounds like something fancy.
It does. Hold on. It looks very easy to break apart here. Oh, wow.
What is it? It's hard.
Ooh, look at that.
Ooh, I wanna try it.
Hold on. Wait. This is a big piece here that everyone needs to share.
It's like a marshmallow.
Here.
Hope this kind of marshmallow tastes
Here,
good.
Holly.
Mustard.
Get mine. I'll just take a bite out of it. Ready? Go. Like it, Holly? No?
Look at the marshmallow. So weird.
It tastes like marshmallow, yeah, but it says nougat, so it's more like a thicker texture. That is delicious. Very good. Ooh, chocolate log.
Come on.
Didn't we have something called a chocolate log before? It's a Nestle's. No. Where's that chocolate log? Right here. Nestle's chocolate log.
A creamy marshmallow topped with crisp wafer and dipped in delicious milk chocolate.
Oh, marshmallow and wafers and chocolate. I think I've
already liked it.
I think I died and gone to heaven. Wow.
I don't think that'll taste so good.
Okay, here.
Marshmallow.
Okay.
It is like the same brand.
Okay.
Honestly.
Here we go. Let's try it.
You said you would die and go to heaven. But
Well,
no,
the problem is that the crisp wafer is kind of soft. I don't know if it's stale or if that's the way it's supposed to be. I was expecting more of a crunch. If you had this before, let me know. Is it supposed to be more of a crunch and then like a really soft wafer?
Oh.
Next is extra pack of chicken flavored maize snacks. Some more chicken flavored chips. Woohoo! So what does it say? Willard's cheap nuts.
These popular corn snacks are easy to snack on. We've included either savory chicken or tangy fruit crunchy.
Fruit chutney flavor. Well, I'm glad you get the fruit chutney. I guess they like fruit chutney. You don't want chicken flavored chips, Holly? You want okay, let's wait. Okay, ready, girls? Go.
No. That one.
This tastes like ramen soup. It tastes like the chicken flavored ramen soup in a cracker. That is so funny.
No.
I like it. It tastes good.
Mama.
You like it? Okay, next is Nestle Tex. What's this?
Nestle Tex bar. Since 1956, South Africans have loved this
Combination
of milk chocolate filled with wafer layers and
aerated
chocolate center.
This is tough to break here.
I'm not sure.
Kind of like a big, gigantic Kit Kat bar. Do you want to try it, Holly, or no? You try this? Yes? Okay. This is hard to break here. It's so thick. Okay, ready? Go.
Oh. It's a coffee.
I can see how it tastes like coffee. I think it's just a strong. It's good. I like it. What do you think?
Me too.
What do you think, Rose? No? Yes? What do you think, Holly? No? No?
There's some cream.
You got cream on your fingers?
No.
Oh, it's okay. Okay, next we will do, got some crackers, or biscuit crackers here.
I want to try that.
Etsumore biscuits.
Baker's Original Etsumore. Popular since 1940. These delicious shortbread cookies leave you waiting to eat
some more.
I'm going to try that.
Oh, that's what they're called. Eat some more. Here we go. Here you go. It's a nice shortbread cookie. Okay, ready? Go.
Ew.
Hallie, did you like it? No?
Yeah.
You don't like it?
Well, that's supposed to be like a cookie.
Yeah, so it's
But
it's
it tastes
a
like
cookie.
a dumpling.
It's that shortbread is not. They do sell shortbread around here, but it's not really popular. But it's kind of like a biscuit, but like a cracker and a cookie all in one.
Tastes like a dumpling you'll get at Cracker Barrel.
It tastes like a Cracker Barrel dumpling. A little bit of sugar in it. So what do you think, Rose? Did you like the cracker? Yes? How about you? Did you like it? No?
I don't want to try that.
Okay, so we're going to try some Simba chips. Mexican chili flavored potato chips.
Mexican.
Oh boy, are these going to be
But I
spicy?
don't like hot pepper.
Everybody's going to try it. Okay, right here.
These chips feature a blend of savory spices with a deliciously tangy kick.
Okay.
Hope these are not. I'm going to try
I doubt that they're really spicy. I think it would say. Here, want a chip? Okay, ready? Go.
It's not hot at all. I don't taste anything.
It is spicy. Do you not feel that burning in your mouth? It's not bad spice. It's not like too much spicy. But I do feel it's burning on my tongue. You eat the whole chip? You feel it? You feel the spice? Are you okay? Fire! It's not that bad, but it is spicy. Hold on, I need to go get some water. Holly says fire. Okay, so let's see what's next here.
But the chip does taste
Okay,
disgusting.
5-star Cadbury. Ooh, I love Cadbury.
Classic Cadbury milk chocolate wrapped around a filling of caramel and cookie bites in this highly rated bar.
Highly rated. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Me too.
Here we go.
I love their eggs.
Do you want some, Holly? Here, want it? Are you all done?
Why did you
Chocolate.
think that was spicy?
No? Okay, ready, go.
Yeah.
It's good. It's very different, right? It's good. Okay. Don't be eating too much. Okay. Let's go on to the next thing. Bar 1 peanut. Okay. Bar 1 peanut. A 25-hour day. Enjoy layers of malted nougat with a caramel topping, then dipped in rich milk chocolate. That sounds good too.
Can I get it first?
Kind of like the. Reminds me of a Milky Way bar. Let's see if it tastes like one. There you go. You want to try it?
No.
Okay. Ready? Go.
Yeah.
It's good. You try it? Try it.
Which one is it?
This one. It's like a Snickers bar. Tastes just like a Snickers bar. Very good. Try it. Come on, Snickers bar. You will like it. Now I'm watching you. No? It's a Snickers, it tastes just like a Snickers bar. You like it, right? Yes. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh, liar. Okay. Next we have, I'm very excited about this, Cadbury Dairy Milk Top Deck. Let's see, what's this?
This there features a layer of creamy white chocolate on the top half and Cadbury Dairy Milk on the bottom.
You want some chocolate, honey? You're just plain chocolate. Want this?
White on top.
You want it? Okay, ready, go.
Starting to like white chocolate more and more.
That's really good. I think that's my favorite so far.
No.
No? Oh, it's so creamy and delicious. What do you think, Rose?
It's not creamy, it's hard.
Oh, you didn't eat it. You think you like it, Rose?
I did. Look.
You like it?
Bite.
Yes, it's very good. Okay, now this is our last thing. Now I picked this for last because I think this is going to take us forever to chew.
Original Champion Toffee Candy. Chewy toffee candy.
Here.
Featuring a flavor similar to dark molasses. Perfect for an after dinner treat.
Okay. I don't think you want to try this, Holly. I think this is too hard for you.
Hard for me.
Want this one right here? Okay, ready? This is going to take us...
I can't open it.
This is going to take us a long time to chew.
We'll be like,
This may take a while. Ready?
I can't. What is this?
Can't bite it.
It's like a lollipop.
Yeah.
Ew. It tastes yucky.
Yeah, I don't really like the taste of that.
Want more? That yucky.
I'm trying to think what this tastes like.
Coffee.
Yeah, it has a taste like something. Can't put my finger on it, but I mean, I obviously cannot eat this right now because I can't chew into this. So I don't know if this is supposed to be like this, if it's supposed to be chewy or it's supposed to be hard, but let us know down below. That's it. So guys, what do you think about this box from South Africa? I think it was good. I think I liked everything. The only thing I really didn't care for was this, at the end, this toffee, but it's just only because I can't like chew it. But I think I liked everything else. How about you girls? I think you didn't like a lot of things, right?
I'll tell you what I did like and I didn't like.
We don't have to go through all of them. Just give me one thing that you liked.
Just
tell me your favorite.
Where is it?
Well, this you liked, right? This.
That.
Oh. You like that one? The chocolate, the decadent chocolate.
I'm getting all of them mixed up.
Enrobed. What about you? What'd you like best? My favorite was this Cadbury Dairy Milk. That was delicious. And I also like the same thing as Abigail. How about you?
Everything.
What? Same thing?
Everything.
Everything? You liked everything good?
Except the sour thing.
Yes. And how about those spicy chips? Yeah.
Sort of.
Sort of, yeah. And I think we lost Holly from the beginning of this video because she seems to not be having it at all today, but that's what you get from an almost 3-year-old. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching our snack crate unboxing today from South Africa. And again, if you're from South Africa or if you visited there before and you know some fun facts for us, we would love to hear about them.
Yeah.
I'd also love if you give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe and please hit that bell.
Ding, ding.
and that will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And also we have other fun videos, we have other unboxings, we make lots of crafts, and we love to bake. We try things on Pinterest. That's why we're called the Pintastic Girls. And if you love to also make things on Pinterest, we have a Facebook group called The Pintastic Friends, where you can share videos on pins that you like to make, pictures of things that you created. So you can come follow us there. The link's down below. We're also on Instagram, Twitter, and on Pinterest. So have a lovely day, everybody. Bye.
Oh, good.